Hello, this is Natalie Brynne, the creator of Piano with Ease. I created this so people could play more songs in less time without having to invest years into learning how to read all the minutiae of traditional sheet music before you can even play anything good. So everything's been designed with special visuals on the page that help you immediately be able to self-correct without having to wait to ask a teacher, so that you can know you're playing the right thing and make progress at your own piano time. Anything known to slow down beginners has been added in as special visuals that will help you know what to do immediately. Everywhere you have to hold a note out, you'll see a hold arrow allowing you to count beats easily. Things that have been harder to remember, such as repeats with first and second endings, and even coda systems, have been visualized to make them simple. We have every fingering, so you'll always know how to succeed by playing the same exact fingering every time. I've marked exactly where to do special fingering moves like crosses, squishes, or switches. At least that's what we call it in Piano with Ease. In the first 4 stages, we use simple chord letters instead of having to read a left-hand part. And you can either do most basic of chords, or you can do some elaborate patterns as you learn them. It will always be clear which black notes to play when those are added in stage 3 and beyond, whether in the right hand or in the left hand chords, because it will be highlighted and marked for you. So no more accidentally forgetting where to play your black notes or leaving them out completely. In stage 4 and beyond, you'll learn how to play inversions, which is something that can really confuse beginners, but it's shown in such a way you'll know exactly the right notes to play so that you can immediately teach yourself or self-correct at home and succeed. You'll also know exactly what notes to play in your suspended chords, your augmented chords, your 7th chords, and so on. In stage 5, we actually do show the left-hand part, but everything that you become used to seeing in the right hand is also shown in the left hand, giving you so much less to memorize and helping you have quick wins learning more songs in less time. If you love the way you learn here, then I invite you to join us in the Piano with Ease membership. The links are below. There is training for this and many, many more songs. New songs are going in every month. Or check out my additional Piano with Ease sheet music, all made with special visuals designed to help you know what to play immediately and to self-correct easily. Lastly, if you want to try a song in the Piano with Ease style for free, there is a link in the description for you to do just that. Thank you so much for checking out Piano with Ease today.